Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how to create presentations on your Android phone. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. Go to Play Store and then on the search bar type PowerPoint and then tap on enter. After that you can see the Microsoft PowerPoint. Simply tap on it and then tap on install. This is one of the most used apps to make presentations on your mobile devices or even your PC devices. Some Androids also come with a built-in WPS Office where you can also make presentations. However, if you have a dedicated software for presentations, then it is easier. After you've installed PowerPoint, you simply open the app and then you can see on the top right corner there's a plus icon. You tap on it and then from the various themes that you are given, you simply select one and then proceed with it. If you want to add text to the presentation, you simply double tap it and then your keyboard will appear and you'll be able to add text. If you want to add styles to your text, suppose bold, italic, underline or change your color, then there's options below. As you can see, my bold is enabled. If I enable all of these options, that is bold, italic and underline, my font will be something as such. Now if I want to change the color of my font, I simply double tap on my text and tap on the color option given below. As you can see, I've selected red color, then my text color has been changed. Again, to add subtitles, I double tap on it and my keyboard will appear. To add a new slide, you have a plus icon that appears on the right side of the window that's open below where it shows your slide in a minimized version. You tap on it and then your new slide will be formed. This is the default layout for a new slide. However, if you want to change the layout, then you have the option in the bottom left corner. Then select any of the layouts that you require. For example, name card. Again, double tap to add text. If you want bullets to appear, then as you can see beside the color option, you have the bullet points option. You type it and with each enter that you tap, there's a new bullet point that starts on a new line. If you want to change the style of the bullet point to numbers, then you have the option of that as well. Tap on the icon beside the bullet points and then you can see the number has appeared. If I want to start a subtopic under the given bullet point, I simply tap on this option. As you can see, my hello has been shifted under the high bullet point. Again, if I want to switch it back, as you can see, my number 2 is still under the given bullet point of high. So if I want to switch it back, I tap on this icon and then you can see that my new bullet point has started. If I want to undo my action, then I simply tap on this icon. As you can see, my actions have been undone. Again, to add new slides, tap on the plus icon and then you can see various options down here. This option creates a table in the given slide. As you can see, a table has been formed on my slide. If I want to insert a row, then I tap on insert row icon that appears on the bottom of your screen. As you can see, this one is the insert row icon. If you want to add another column, there's options for this as well. So if you want to add rows, you can add rows either above the selected row or below the selected row. And if you want to add columns, you can either add columns on the right side of your selected column or the left side of your selected column. If you want to delete columns, rows or the entire table, then you select the table and you can see the cross mark on a table option. You tap on it and then you can see delete columns, delete rows and delete table option. As you can see, my row has been deleted. If I want to delete this column, then I tap on delete columns. As you can see, now I'm left with 2 columns. If I want to delete this entire table, I'll enter delete table. As you can see, my table has been deleted. If I want to add an image, I can go on the add an image option down below and then I can select an image from my gallery that I'd like to enter on my slide. You can select multiple images and then tap on the go icon that appears on the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it. You can edit it as you desire using the options that are given below your screen and then after that you tap on done. If you want to adjust your image on the given slide, you simply drag it around using your fingers. Again, if you want to edit the way the image shows up on your presentation, there are options given here as below. If you want to undo, you simply tap on the undo button. Another option that you can see is adding shapes. So you can see the circle and the square icon that appears on the bottom of your screen. You tap on it and then you can see various shapes and sizes appear here. If you tap on your desired shape, it will appear on the screen, and if you want to adjust the way it displays on the screen, then you simply use your fingers to drag it around the screen. If you want to change the style and the color, then again there are options down below where you can do that. Another interesting option is the insert text. So you can create your own insert insert text box over here, as you can see, and then I can manage it using the dots that are surrounding the square, and then you can simply type it out, edit it out using the options that are given below again. And finally, the last option is the camera icon. You tap on it and then it will allow you to record live pictures and live videos that you can add to your presentation to make it more interesting. To check out what it looks like in a slideshow, you have the slideshow option on the top of your screen. You can see the slideshow option. You tap on it. You'll have to rotate your screen to view the presentation, and then you can simply slide to change the slides. After that, you tap on back and then your slideshow will be ended. All these features are similar to that on PC, so if you are familiar to how it works on PC, then it won't be hard for you to get adjusted to this on your mobile. And after that, if you want to save this presentation, you go to the top right corner. You can see the three dotted icon, tap on it, and then you have the save option. You tap on it. You can change the name of this presentation by tapping on rename this file option, and then you can simply enter the name for this presentation and then tap on the tick button. As you can see, my presentation has been renamed and I can see this anytime I want. If I want to share this presentation, then I simply long press on it and then I will see the share button that appears on the bottom right corner of my screen. I tap on it and tap on full document, tap on presentation, and then it will give you various ways you can share your presentation. And that's how you create a presentation on your Android phone. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.